This is probably one of the most extraordinary years any of us have been through. We're very proud and appreciative of the Skool4Kidz family. That no matter what, we find ways to come together, lift each other up, be there for each other, and bond together.
Skool4Kidz is our happy school. Skool4Kidz, we think it's super cool. Hello my friends, hello, hello to you. We learn and play together, and here we have fun too. We care and share and learn to be polite. Treat everyone special, it is only right. Happily every day, teachers and friends we meet. Hooray, hooray, we love our Skool4Kidz.
I'm so happy that Yang Lao Shi has been staying with us for the past 2 months. First up with us, she is really doing the audit with us.
Team bonding is vital to building a team of people working together and towards a common goal.
Hello my friends, hello, hello to you. We learn and play together, and here we have fun too. We care and share and learn to be polite.
Teacher Nosia is smart. Activity is interesting. The mix is cute. So Lao Shi is pretty. The teacher Divine is sexy.
Skool4Kidz is our happy school. Skool4Kidz, we think it's super cool. Hello my friends, hello, hello to you. We learn and play together, and here we have fun too. We care and share and learn to be polite. Treat everyone special, it is only right. Happily every day, teachers and friends we meet. Hooray, hooray, we love our Skool4Kidz. Hooray, hooray, we love our Skool4Kidz.
We, the teachers of Skool4Kidz, pledge that we will be true to our mission to bring out the best in our students. We will be exemplary in the discharge of our duties and responsibilities. We will guide our students to be good and useful citizens of Singapore. We will continue to learn and pass on the love of learning to our students. We will win the trust, support and cooperation of parents and the community so as to enable us to achieve our mission.
Together we can.